Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Veteran coach Vassar Reynolds is heading back to the Jamaica Premier League as he is set to take charge of Harborview FC. Reynolds, who last coached at Chamberton Maroons FC, will replace Bijan Thomas, who was relieved of his duties at the weekend, just about 4 months after his appointment at the club. It's believed the club executives became displeased with the direction the club was heading under the leadership of Thomas. It's understood that Vassar Reynolds, who is the technical director at Kingston College, has a month remaining on his contract, but it is uncertain if he will renew with the North Street-based school. Harborview are currently 12th on the 14-team table, winning 2 games, drawing 2 and losing 4. They're on 8 points. That's 14 points off league leaders Montego Bay United. Sporting director at Mount Pleasant Football Academy, Paul Christie, says the club had no choice but to play their upcoming CONCACAF Caribbean Cup game against Defence Force FC, given the time constraints with the tournament. The game, which was originally scheduled for October 29, was shifted to November 5 due to the passage of Hurricane Melissa. With the FIFA international window set for November 10 to 18, playing the game this week was the only available period. Speaking with TVJ Sports, Christie noted that using the game as an opportunity to help those affected by the hurricane was a natural solution given the current state of the country.
The Mount Pleasant, we have always believed in giving back to the community, and this is it's just so fit right now. When we were discussing it with the ownership and the leadership, it was a no-brainer, our way of giving back to it, and at the same time, as I've said before, it's not just about football, it's about returning to some semblance of normalcy. And we just feel privileged to be in this position at this time. And we are standing with the people of Jamaica who are devastated at this time. And we pray, our prayers are with you.
Finally, 2016 Under-19 World Cup winner Shamar Springer makes a return to the West Indies setup for the first time in a year after being included in the T20 squad to play New Zealand this month. Springer, who made his debut for the West Indies last year, has not played for the men in maroon since their tour of Sri Lanka in October 2024. His inclusion is to bolster a seam bowling unit which has suffered several recent injuries, including Raman Simmons and Jediah Blades, who have both been ruled out of this series. Left-arm spinner Gudakesh Moti will also miss the series following a recent dip in form. Matthew Ford, who suffered a shoulder injury in the summer, has also been recalled after successfully completing the rehabilitation and return to play protocols. Jamaicans Brandon King and Ruffman Powell keep their place in the 15-man squad. The other members are Captain Shea Hope, Alec Athnaze, Akeem Ogis, Rawson Chase, Matthew Ford, Jason Holder, Akil Hussain, Amir Jangu, Kari Peer, Sherfin Rutherford, Jaden Seals, Romario Shepherd, and Springer. The teams will meet in 5 T20 internationals with the first bowling off on Wednesday morning Jamaica time. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thank you, Renardo, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.